Guys, sekarang ini kita berada di kontes modifikasi motor. Kita akan melihat motornya neneknya Mahira. Di situ guys.
Nowhere to go when she walks with no aim. I've traveled, learned, I've loved and I've lost, yet still I am the same. I passed an empty chapel. I was far from the warm glow inside. I don't believe in any religion, but the emptiness made me cry. If I could just get some inspiration and enter through my transformation, then every little thing in my life would be so beautiful and I'd be satisfied. Should have to feel this way when I know a million do. Just to float with no answer why, and to live what isn't true. I pass this way 1,000 times, but I'm never ever sad just here.
Ternyata lawannya banyak.
There for me, baby, and I know my time is here.
Semoga dapat juara karena lawannya banyak.
I know there's something out there for me, baby, and I know my time is dear. I pass this way 1,000 times, but I've never ever sad just here. I know there's something out there for me, baby, and I know my time is oh so dear. I passed an empty chapel. I was far from the warm glow inside. I don't believe in any religion, but the emptiness made me cry. If I could just get some inspiration and enter through my transformation, then every little thing in my life would be so beautiful and I'd be satisfied. If I could just get some inspiration and enter through my transformation, then every little thing in my life would be so beautiful and I'd be satisfied. Then every little thing in my life would be so beautiful, I'd be satisfied.
Konsep acara di volume kedua ini adalah mengusung semua unsur aliran modifikasi di Makassar yang lagi ngetren. Boy and Friend Modifikasi Kontes.
Total peserta berapa, Mas Boy?
Tahun ini mengalahkan rekor tahun lalu. Tahun lalu 189, tahun ini 225 peserta. Ini sangat-sangat luar biasa, mungkin naik sekitar 25%.
Sampai jam berapa acaranya?
Masih sampai jam 10-11.
Kita bermalam minggu di sini.
Siap.